Today we're transforming our old chain link fence into a privacy fence with our new heavy-duty privacy screen. It's easy to set up and comes shipped to your door, ready to set up a private and relaxing area for you as well. Cut it open and then pop open the industrial zip ties. Unfold the screen, and inside you can find a pack of zip ties to lock down your screen. To get started, lay out your screen and stretch it along the fence that you plan to install to. On the sides, tops, and bottoms, you can find durable grommets to put your zip ties through and hang it up. It was a really windy day, but the mesh allows the screen to breathe and lets the air go right through it. So I was still able to hang it up without too much difficulty. I got a 50-foot roll to test and see how I liked it. And it covered the majority of one side of my fence. It went all the way to our grapevines, which create a natural privacy fence anyway, so this is almost perfect. My fence, however, was definitely a DIY project. I found all the material on the farm here, and the fence isn't perfectly straight, or even have the top support bars to connect the screen to. But it still held up well, and doesn't look too bad. It definitely looks a lot better than seeing all of our old construction materials that need organized and cleaned up still. Now I need to get another screen for the other sides of my fence. But for now, I have a private little area to do some yoga, hang out with the dogs, or even grill out and have a picnic. Another cool feature is that it cuts down on wind and dust, making this perfect for pool decks. With this, you can have your privacy and keep dust and debris out of the pool. It even cuts down on noise. Too cool. It also comes in several different colors and custom sizes to fit any fence. The fabric feels durable and seems like it will last a while. Now it'd definitely look cleaner if I had a proper fence, but given the DIY nature of my fence, I'm really happy and enjoying having a nice area to relax in. So if you're tired of your old chain link fence as well, this privacy screen might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go do some more yoga outside under the sun. See ya.